channel. So today guys we are going to be playing Minecraft Hardcore. So guys I have done episode 1 and episode 1 guys it was so hard and you know what happened, my duo has died. So we're going to be hopping on Minecraft Hardcore. Let's go. So Minecraft Hardcore. Guys, if you're new to this channel, please hit the like and subscribe and turn on your notifications on. So if I launch any new videos, we can start it. So let's start with our hardcore. First thing is I'm gonna just make this into a. My brother died. I'm just kidding. It's in the game. So I have no clue what you call that religion Holocaust or whatever. But because of that, he died in the game. So this is his RIP spot. Look, this happened. He was standing on the cauldron, and he was fighting the. No, he was standing here, and he was fighting the zombies, and he died, guys. That's unfortunate. So
No,
guys,
am I joining you or are you joining me?
you can't do it to die.
No, I'm telling you a different word.
No, I'm saying. Oh, Fadu.
Lucky buck. I don't know what lucky buck is. But try to do little like cookie god first.
You just continue your hardcore work. Guys, and
But I died in that hardcore world.
You died?
Yes. I died because I drowned. And I got killed by a cactus. I drowned and lost.
Okay, so guys, today in this video we are going to be trying to go into a cave. Guys, just move this here.
Hardcore
You
long.
can see me correctly. Yeah, now it's better. And oh my god, it's moving on. Yeah, so guys, today we're going to be going to a cave. So that's the thing that we're going to do one by one, and we're going to finish this, and maybe we could do many other things, like many other things. I'm telling you. So guys, let's just go inside this and shop this. Here.
No, I'm scared.
Yes.
Very hard.
Oh, let's go. Good, I didn't make all the man. Let's go. Oh, yeah. If you were there, I could give you this, but you're not.
I have died, but
I have 4 obsidian.
But
We might
I-
do together.
spawned in a 0.0010% chance.
So guys, we're going to get armored up, guys. Let's go. This is the first best I came in the hardcore world, guys. I'm not even joking. We never even had iron. This is my first time getting iron in the hardcore world. You have to still be very careful. One wrong move, you're screwed. So guys,
One wrong move, fall into a lava, you're screwed.
oh yeah, there is lava here. You know what, guys? I'm going to make a risky move. Guys, look, I'm going to make a risky move. Look, I let the lava out. See, guys, you have to take risky moves. It's going to be so fun in this series. So let's start our goal. So we were telling that we're going to find a cave. So this is basically a cave for me. This is more than enough for a cave for me. So let's just get all this coal and all. And we do have a new sword. And I never came to this part of the village. So let's explore this. So like we can get more loot and all this stuff. Oh, chance I was just speaking about loot. And we got loot. Yes.
Bro, I have a server just so I can clear place.
What?
I made servers just so I can clear
Yes, my brother is also playing, guys. He is He
Ukshay,
plays on land, so it's like
I
it's
forgot
like
something
difficult to
for
like
clearing
tag him.
your
If anyone is playing on land in your server, it's like difficult to tag him because he's playing on land and you playing land. There's no use. Guys, I need to sleep early because like anywhere near to me, I have to like just go. So yeah, and in hardcore, I think the mobs spawn early and you can sleep early also. So that's also a thing. And guys, please make sure to like and subscribe and join
Bro, wait,
our
I just found
community
sheep. I just found a sheep.
and make sure
Oh
to,
my god, lucky I found a sheep.
turn notifications on because if I make a video, yeah, you need to check it. You need to check it out. So guys, and oh my god, it's gonna be night actually. Guys, and last time I told you that we could the diamond finder app. I don't want to do it because we are like just in the starting and like who wants to cheat in the starting? Or I could get my phone which is in the other room. Before you can you get my phone?
What?
Mm. So that's my brother's getting my phone. We'll do it. That's, yeah, I like it. We'll just sleep early. We need to sleep early, guys. It's like the basics of hardcore. And it's not the basics, but who cares,
Then
guys?
having like more charger, you have to charge it.
Which person? Okay, can I have? Okay. How much is yours, person?
13. That's
Wait,
it.
wait. Let mine at least get 1%. Okay, guys, I put my phone on charging. Keep it right here. Okay, so till then we'll carry on. We'll sleep through the night. And tomorrow, I think I should find a village and like speed run this game, guys. Not jump
You're
scare.
already in the village.
no.
Why are you finding a village when you're in the village?
Oh, frick. There's a creeper. I'm not good at with these creepers. Oh my god.
Bro, try to find a cave now.
I feel like something like creeping me from somewhere. Now, guys, this is my farm, guys. How do you like it? This is my farm. I call it the
Boy.
Bean farm.
Bro, I just got
I'm not pressing anything. How
Bro,
do
I
you
just
do
lost hearts from a drown.
it? Yeah, now I know.
Bro, I lost water from a drown. Now look what I'm doing. Just gliding on the water.
So we're doing this. We'll collect all our stuff.
I guess the drown's trying to
Then we'll
catch me.
replant it because I'm a professional planter. Yeah, guys, I know what I said, but I'm not able to find. Oh, cool. We need coal. Oh, yeah, I found one. Wait, I think I saw one, but I kind of don't want to lose the thing there. Actually, just do whatever I can do. Okay. Okay, so there is. Oh, coal, so much coal. We already have so much coal.
Risky, bro, risky.
Oh, my brother found a.
Cave that have iron.
Yeah, he. Really? You found a cave that has iron?
Yes, iron is here.
So, guys, we'll try not to lose the village and like be around the village only. I don't want to like go out of the village. Oh, I was just talking about like villages and I found this. Oh, it has water. Uh, guys, before my brother died, I could use him as like he could help
Goofy,
me.
bro. Something happened.
What did he do? Look, guys, my brother died in his second hardcore world, guys. He died. Guys, look, guys, suspect world. This. You screwed. Two hardcore worlds at a row for you? How?
Bro tried to jump in the cave and I lost all my hearts.
Oh, guys, there's a cave here. We'll go here. but I have to be extremely careful. If I to join my server in the search file,
Bro, right now, want to spawn in the
my
village.
phone on.
Bro, I want to spawn in the village so badly.
Oh, let's go pork chop. I got 10 G coins.
Bro, look
Guys,
there. Bro,
I
you
know.
got the reward of staying inside hardcore.
No, that's the reward because like I did something. Pork chop. Guys, and now we're going to be finding thing. I didn't spawn in a good locations. Should kind of risky. Yeah, look here. Yeah, that wasn't with water. It was so like. Oh my god! There was a lava right there. I have no clue where's the.
Now I'll try to get lucky again and find.
Guys, I'm going to just look around for a cave, and I'm going to tell you where we find an awesomely looking cave. So guys, I'm downloading the Diamond Finder app. Guys, look, I'm downloading it. It's downloaded. It's open. Let's open it up and let's put our seed back and yeah, hardcore again. So please wait. So much later. So guys, I did not find a thing. And yeah, we did not find a way. That's the problem. That sucks. So that's the thing, and that's all.
Are you done the video now?
No, we're trying to but we can. Oh my.
Bro, I'm just running into some jungle.
Okay, step one, step two, whatever it says.
Bro, look, I'm running straight and I'm trying to find something. Like this big banana. Bigger banana. Bigger banana.
Okay, players. I'm just gonna type that. Okay, word seed number 1.21, 1.20, 1.21, 1.20. I have no clue what does that mean, but we have to check it out. We just I would have heart attack and then I'm never going there. You know what? I forgot the bed. Like, oh, I found a chicken jockey.
You just got two shots in. Why
You
not?
died. He died again. 3 in a row. Oh my god. Okay, let's check our seed now. This one Minecraft. Yeah, we'll just save it quick. Once again, we'll go back, guys. We'll just see the seed because I'm lazy to check for seed. I mean, 1.21.
Bro, now I'm not doing hardcore mode. But then still I'm doing
1.21.120. Who cares?
I'm naming
Seed.
the word.
Word seed is. I have no
Bro, I'm naming the word for
idea. Guys, please tell me where is the
fan.
no see 787. So yeah, 7 8. You can just skip this part if you want.
Family.
Guys. 5 6.
Family.
What does he actually have to be? 660.
I'm naming the word.
6668. Guys, I'm gonna tell you when I log back on because I'm not waiting for you guys. I need to have fun. So guys,
Yo.
I'm gonna tell you when you
Yo.
finish this off in 3, 2, 1. Guys, I have found it. I don't have the pro version currently, so that's also fine. No worries. We don't need pro version. Okay, so guys, there's an ad loading on right now.
Where my pet be word?
Yeah, it's coming. So guys, I can't. There's only diamond, which is fortunate. So ancient degrees and all those we also need. So there's okay. So the this is the information.
Oh,
Over.
days of
The 24 more or plus 29 x v y. Guys, if you understand this, can you please tell me what's the answer? I have no clue what's the thing or anything, but I have no clue. It's okay. I have no clue. But this is the end of the video. This was fortunate because I could not find a video. So that's the bad part. But like and subscribe for more banger videos like this. And bye guys.